Welcome to BunkRite, the recliner for your truck. Just like a recliner, BunkRite allows you to sit up comfortably in your bunk to watch a movie, get some work done, or simply relax. You can adjust to any position, raised, flat, or anywhere in between, whatever works best for you. And when you're ready to sleep, BunkRite lays completely flat, or raise it a little if that helps you rest better. BunkRite is easy to install. Just place the durable, inflatable wedge under your existing mattress. Connect the hose, plug in the DC power jack, and you're ready to adjust your bunk to the perfect position using the wireless remote control. The BunkRite system can be permanently installed into your own truck or installed temporarily to take with you to a different truck. And no longer do you have to be limited to just a flat bunk, or have to bring along a bunch of pillows that always seem to get in the way. BunkRite comes in a variety of options. The BunkRite Pro comes with a PVC wedge made of tough material similar to that used on inflatable boats, a non-kink hose, a compact and quiet air blower, and a wireless remote control. You can also get the BunkRite Pro EX that comes with extras including a convenient carrying bag and 2 remote controls. And for you team drivers, the BunkRite Pro Tandem includes 2 BunkRite systems. So regardless of whether you sleep in the bottom bunk or the top, you can adjust to the perfect position. A driver's lifestyle can be challenging in many ways. BunkRite can help by making your time out on the road better